Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This move-in ready home provides natural lighting, enjoy the shaded backyard, and plenty of room for our whole family to enjoy. Its balcony offers a breathtaking scenic view of the streets while enjoying the view at nights and the cool climate that Mandeville has to offer. The land area of this house is approximately 14,402 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.